In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Canva without cropping. If you've ever scaled an image only to find parts missing or the photo looking stretched, this will clear it up so you can resize cleanly and keep everything in frame. Start by opening your project in Canva and locating the exact image you want to adjust. Click the image once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box with handles around the edges, especially the round handles on the corners. Those corner handles are the key to resizing without cropping. Now, move your cursor to any corner handle. Click and drag inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it bigger. As you drag from a corner, Canva scales both the width and the height together. That's what keeps the aspect ratio intact, so the photo doesn't warp and nothing gets cut off. You're not changing what's visible inside a crop, you're simply changing the overall size of the entire image. Avoid dragging from the side or top handles if your goal is to keep the image looking natural. Those edge handles change only one dimension at a time, which can stretch or squish the picture. It won't crop it, but it will distort it. Sticking with the corners keeps proportions consistent and maintains the original look. As you resize, keep an eye on where the image sits on your page or design. If it's getting close to the edge of your canvas, just make sure important content isn't hanging off the page. If you're zoomed too far out to judge the size accurately, briefly zoom in for a better view, then continue dragging from the corner to fine-tune. You'll see the image scale smoothly while all of its content stays visible. If your image happens to be inside a frame or grouped with other elements, the same principle still applies. Select the image or the container and use the corner handle to scale up or down. You're maintaining the aspect ratio, which is exactly what prevents accidental cropping or odd distortions. A quick note on quality. Making an image larger than its original resolution can make it look soft. That's not cropping. It's just the limit of the source image. If you notice softness, consider using a higher resolution version, but the corner drag method remains the correct way to resize without cropping. That's it. Open your project, click the image, and drag a corner to scale. Simple, clean, and no cropping required. Canva saves your changes automatically, so you can continue designing with confidence.